everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this Valentine's Day makeup look along with a Sephora giveaway. So Valentine's Day is in a week. I wanted to film a makeup tutorial for you guys, something that is fun and pink, and I think it's pretty wearable, and most of the products that I used are from the drugstore. I am obsessed with how my makeup came out. I think it looks really pretty and very pink and very Valentine's Day-ish. I love colors for the seasons and things like that, so Valentine's Day I love pinks. I love pinks and reds and glitters. I mean, look at my background. I made it myself. Aren't you guys proud? And you know, my nails are super pink with pink hearts. So I just love pink, and I just think pink is perfect for Valentine's Day. I am definitely going to be wearing my makeup like this on Sunday when I go out to dinner with my boyfriend. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this look right here along with my Sephora giveaway, then please keep watching. Hey guys, so we are starting off with this really cute headband I got from, I think, Dollar Tree, but it totally sucks because you can't even see it in the video. I am starting off with some Benefit Boing Concealer, and I'm using this to prime my eyes, and then I'm just going to blend it in with a foundation brush, and then I'm going to set it with an eyeshadow. I am then taking my Holy Grail palette, the Modern Renaissance, and I'm taking this shade right here, and I'm applying it right in the crease as a transition shade. The Modern Renaissance is my Holy Grail. That is like my favorite palette. I cannot live without it. Yeah, it's amazing. I am then taking my BH Cosmetics palette right here. I'm taking that pink shade and I am applying that in my crease as well. It is such a beautiful pink, guys. This palette is amazing. This is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I haven't used this in so long, but honestly, it is my favorite colorful palette. It has all the shades you need for any type of colorful look, and it's super affordable. I am then taking this pink shade right here and I'm applying it in my outer V. It is a tad bit darker than that first pink shade, and I'm also applying it in the crease as well. I want it to be very smooth and very transitional. Then going back into my Modern Renaissance, my Holy Grail, I am taking this shade right here, which is like a dark maroon, and I'm also applying that in the outer V and making it a tad bit more intense. Now I'm picking up this light pink shade right there, and I am applying that on my lid, and I'm just carving out my eyelids and making my eyes appear larger than they actually are. Next, I am picking up this shade right here, and I'm putting that right in the center, in between that pink and the maroon shade, just so that it looks very ombre-ish. Ombre, is that a word? Ombre-ish. Now I'm picking up my Kiss lash glue. This is amazing. It goes on like a black liner, and you just pop your lashes on and it sticks immediately. I did a full review on this lash glue, and it is amazing. And I'm using my Kiss number 11 lashes. And now I'm taking my Better Than Sex by Too Faced liquid eyeliner. Guys, this is amazing. You guys know Kat Von D tattoo liner was my Holy Grail, and this 100% replaced it. I highly recommend it. Now going in with my Holy Grail brow product. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade. I reviewed this on my channel, I think, over a year ago, and when I tell you I've been using it non-stop since then, it is so good. It makes it so easy to apply. This is the moment, no turning back. Moving on to face, I am taking this primer from Flower Beauty, and I am just pumping it out. It's like a foam, and I'm applying it right into my T-zone. For foundation, I'm using my Holy Grail Dream Urban Cover Foundation. This stuff is amazing. I'm just applying it all over my face, and then I am using my Tarte foundation brush to blend it in. This brush is amazing because it's so big. It's so quick and easy to blend your foundation. Then I'm taking this Milani Supercharged Concealer. I just reviewed it on my channel and I am obsessed with it. And I'm applying it underneath my eyes. Sorry if it sounds like I'm screaming. I feel like I'm talking really loud. I'm scared to like look over to the footage of my voiceover. I'm probably like screaming into the microphone. But yeah, I reviewed this concealer on my channel and I've been obsessed with it. It's like a really nice peach shade that really color corrects my darkness, but also it really brightens up my under eyes as well. To contour, I'm taking by LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I forgot I haven't used this in so long, but it dries pretty quickly, so if you're going to apply it, make sure you blend it in right away. I was having a little trouble because it was drying pretty quickly. But a great little tip, if that ever happens to you, you can just use your foundation and kind of go over it to smooth it out. That's what I did for my forehead because it dried so quickly. Then I'm going to start contouring my nose. I love contouring my nose with this because it blends. It does blend really nicely if you blend it out quickly. If you let it sit on your face, then you're going to have a little bit of a rougher time to blend it out and make it look smooth and not make it look muddy. Now to set my face, I'm using my Holy Grail powder. This is the Clean Fresh powder. Guys, this is amazing. Just look how amazing it makes my face look after I just set it. It's just so good. If you guys have not tried this powder yet, I highly, highly recommend it. It's so good. Now going in with my Hoola bronzer. This is also one of my Holy Grail products. I'm using this to contour and bronze up my face. And yeah, this bronzer is amazing. Basically, all the products that I am using in this video are like my Holy Grail products. Literally. It's all products that I use basically every day. For blush, I am using by Milani. This is their multi lip and cheek stick. I have been obsessed with it since I reviewed it. It is so good. I love how pink it is, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day. So normally when I use like a cream blush, I would apply it first and then set my entire face. But honestly, this product, I love putting it on top of the powder just because I don't want to set it because it's not wet or sticky or anything. I just love how pink it is, and it dries really quickly where you don't need to set it. So that's why I apply it on top of all my powders. And yeah, I definitely applied a lot and I love it. I love the pink cheeks. Next, I'm going in with my Ofra highlighter, and I'm using this to highlight the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, and my forehead. Going back into the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm taking this shade right here, and I'm just applying this on my lash line. Back into the BH palette, I'm taking this hot pink, and I'm applying that right underneath that first shade we just applied. Next, I am taking this white eyeliner. It's like a nudish, and I'm putting that right in my waterline. I think this is from Rimmel London. I will put it in the description box, but I love it. It is super pigmented, and it really opens up my eyes. I am now just highlighting my brow bone as well, and the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I am setting my brows using this Anastasia new brow gel. It is actually amazing. This is my first time trying it, and I was super impressed. It really held my brows really nicely. Next, I'm taking the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara, and I'm using that just to apply to my lashes and my bottom lashes. Next, I'm lining my lips using this LA Girl lip liner. I will put the shade down below. Then I couldn't decide which pink I wanted to go for, and then I decided to use both because I really wanted a nice, like, bright pink, but not too bright, like something a little bit wearable. So I'm first applying this Maybelline Superstay lipstick on my lips, and then I'm going to go over it with the ColourPop. Again, all the shades will be linked down below. I love how my lip came out with this ColourPop shade on top of it because it's not too bright and it wasn't too dark. I think it's perfect mixed together. But you guys know I love glossy lips, so I'm taking my Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This is my favorite lip gloss. It is amazing, and I'm applying it right in the center of my lips. This is the final look. I am super obsessed with how it came out. I love the pinks. I love the pink lipstick. I think this is perfect for Valentine's Day. I think this look is super wearable, at least for me. I am used to wearing colors, and I think it is somewhat wearable where it's just like very light on the pink on the eyes. It's nothing crazy. I kept it pretty simple on the eyes because I really wanted a nice pink lip. so I am super obsessed with how it came out. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys think this is something wearable for you. I just love wearing colors, and when it's Valentine's Day, I love pinks and reds and things like that. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Now let's get into the giveaway. So if you guys made it this far, let's get into the giveaway. I am giving away a $100 Sephora gift card to one of you guys. This giveaway is open internationally. All you have to do is you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel and you must be following me on Instagram. Comment down below with your Instagram name and tell me what your favorite makeup product is. And that's it. That's all you have to do. There will be some extra entries that you guys can do to enter, such as following me on Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, things like that. Yeah, that's all you have to do. You must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment down below. And that's it. The winner will be chosen in about 2 to 3 weeks, and I will just be emailing you directly the gift card. And I like to say this in all my giveaway videos. It's super repetitive, but I hope my giveaway winner is someone who is a true supporter and not someone who's just going to follow me for the giveaway and unfollow when the giveaway is over. So I do recognize names and usernames and things like that for people who continuously show me so much love and support. It never goes unnoticed. But yeah, that's all you have to do to enter. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video.